Understanding, on the same team, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, on the same team. This expression is often used in both casual and professional contexts, so understanding its meaning and usage can be really beneficial. Let's get started. The phrase, on the same team, is used to express unity or agreement among a group of people. It implies that everyone involved is working towards the same goal or objective, even if they have different roles or perspectives. This phrase is commonly used to remind people that, despite their differences, they share a common purpose. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday conversations. 1. In a work meeting, we might have different ideas, but we're all on the same team here, aiming for the company's success. 2. In sports, remember, we are on the same team, so we should support each other to win the game. 3. In family, we may disagree sometimes, but we're on the same team and should work together as a family. These examples show how the phrase can foster a sense of collaboration and unity. This phrase can be adapted to various contexts. For instance, in a workplace to encourage teamwork, in sports to emphasize team spirit, in personal relationships to resolve conflicts by reminding each other of common goals. Understanding the context helps in using the phrase appropriately. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, on the same team, and its usage in English. It's a powerful expression to convey unity and collaborative spirit in various situations. Remember, learning a language is about understanding these nuances that make communication more effective. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.